Africa. Now is good end product. Africa. What is the end product?
From broken crowns to rising hands, we take our place, we claim this land. No more silence, no more delay. We lead our future, starting today. Power rooted in truth and right, not in shadows, not in might. For the people, by the people, Africa stands equal. No more waiting for change to come.
We are here for more than a ceremony. We are gathered because memory is a political act. People who cannot account for their past cannot govern their future.
The same forces ensure that the independence struggle was manipulated to produce political parties and politicians that will retain the colonial structure.
Africa no go
Understand that for you to be citizens, you need to live in a society that is governed by law. The one in which you live is not governed by law. And that is what is responsible for all of the abnormalities you see around.
We claim our own, built on justice, strong and free. That's our new reality. Who will be?
Africa.
The end product is leadership reborn.